Toyota unveiled the 2023 Toyota Innova during its world premiere in Indonesia. The seventh generation of the venerable family MPV has adopted an SUV look and stance, and is now confirmed to have a hybrid powertrain option. More popularly known as the Toyota Kijang Innova Zenix in Indonesia, it will be produced at the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia factory in Karawang, West Java. It will be exported to various countries as well. The new Innova has a more masculine and SUV-like design than its predecessors, finished in contrast black with chrome surrounds. The car's front fascia shows off a large trapezoidal grille. An attractive cheatline runs down the center of its wide front bumper, which cleverly morphs into triangular units at each corner. LED daytime running lights are also positioned horizontally on the cheatline. In the profile, the two character lines run the length of the MPV, neatly merging with the wraparound LED tail lights. This is similar to the styling on the Avanza Veloz MPV sold overseas. Inside, the new Innova Zenix takes from the latest Toyota offerings and is notable different from the Innova Crysta. The layered dashboard features a clean layout with a waterfall-style center section that houses the infotainment screen, AC controls, and gear selector. The screen itself is a 10-inch freestanding unit with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The Innova Zenix also comes with a new multifunction steering wheel and a 7-inch part digital instrument cluster. Under the hood, the new Innova Zenix comes with a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle petrol motor that puts out 154 PS and 190 Nm that pairs with a 113 PS and 206 Nm electric motor with an ECVD in the mix. The Innova Zenix will be a petrol-only offering for the first time now, and lower-spec models could get a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol with 170 PS and 202 Nm, again paired with a CVT. The price of the car ranges from $26,600 to $38,200 USD, depending on the version.